I was like, what the hell? I was like, what the bomb is this? Did I? Yes.
Okay.
I took the boys out for the first time without my husband. Welcome to Life and In Between with Mrs. Anne. I'm Winona. Those who don't know me, welcome to my channel. Guys, I want to open this vlog with a nice meal. Let's cook a meal together. I've got a free-range lamb ribbies, which is mini ribs, lamb ribs. So I want us to create a lamb meal for dinner. Yes, I'm hoping we can make this with mashed potato and some green salad. Okay, or maybe we can have maybe a veggie. Let's have a veggie one. I'm not sure. Okay, let's go. But I know I want to have this lamb ribs, scissor ribs. We are having ribs for dinner. So first things first, I want to marinate my ribs. Then I will pop them. Everything will happen on the oven. So I'll first put some salt and olive oil, pop them in the oven, more like fry them in the oven, and then add the sauce, then thoroughly cook them, and then that's it. Because these are going to be easy to cook as a lamb. Lamb is softer than beef ribs or even pork, I guess. Okay, let's go.
You've been gone. Ready. Ready.
That I put my sweet jalapeno water. You don't have to do that. I just like that flavor of it. Otherwise you have to put in your vinegar, your Worcestershire sauce, then what else? I also have, so okay, let me start over. If you don't have barbecue sauce or you don't have a marinade in your ingredients, please have tomato sauce. This is creating barbecue sauce from scratch. Tomato sauce, Worcestershire sauce, vinegar, and you add, yes, just those things, and mustard. How's this camera so far? And mustard. Then you mix together to make your barbecue sauce that you're going to use on your riblets. If you do have everything else, like you have barbecue sauce, you can add a little bit vinegar, Worcestershire sauce, and I have this spare rib. I have this spare rib marinade, but it's too thick. It's too thick, so that's why I add a bit of it on my mix here, and then I left a bit of my thyme herbs into the dish to soak up. So I'm more like frying my riblets. You can do that even in your stove top. What I'm doing in the oven, you can do on the stove top. On the stove top, you're going to, what I did, add the dries up, the spices and whatnot, and then fry on your pan, then transfer on the side, then add your sauce and then into the pot. Okay, that will also work out, as well as the oven method that I'm using. Okay, so I think my ribs are almost browned up. They're browning beautifully, if you can see.
The end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is you saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. 'Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, 'cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, 'cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy.
Let's prepare our side of the ingredients. We'll be having mashed potatoes planned, and broccoli and green salad. I think that's sufficient. I think I want also some butternut. Yes, let me also make some butternut. So mashed potato, mashed butternut, green salad, and broccoli. Okay, broccoli. Okay, so let's start chopping.
Tell me, where's your location? Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11, and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay. Where are you, baby? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, 'cause I gotta know. Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is you saying yeah, yeah, yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. 'Cause you're all I crave, so I wonder, away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say,
I have quickly popped my butternut because I'm almost done with the ribs in the same oven. Let me show you how I put this. These are the butternut, and then at the back it's the ribs, they still got a lot of gravy in them. So, and my potatoes are cooking. As soon as I'm done, I'm gonna mash the potatoes and I always do my green salad. All the ingredients are in the fridge. I always do my green salad when I'm about to dish up, so that the lettuce and the cucumbers don't lose their crunch. Otherwise, I'm almost done. Cooking in summer is horrible without an aircon and also without a fan extractor in the kitchen. Okay.
It's getting dark, and we did everything and nothing at all. And I should leave, 'cause this is bad. Your hands make up for the love we don't have.
Guys, we are done with I think we are done. So it's time to open our riblets. They have been in the oven for about 90 minutes, and it should be sticky and falling off the bones. That's how it should be. And all of the nice gravy marinade, it's supposed to be super absorbed. So it's time to do the review. Hopefully I don't bend my fingers. I am going to show you when I open the foil and showing you the riblets. Hopefully I have not bent them.
This is bad. Your hands make up for the love we don't have. Down in the abyss with you. Down in the abyss with
Guys, that's it. I hope you did enjoy preparing this meal with me, and you also going to try it out. It's a very simple. I promise you, even the marinade for the ribs, if you have the tomato sauce, Worcestershire sauce, vinegar, mustard, thyme, But you saw my ingredients, guys. I can't think now because the food is in front of me and I need to eat and enjoy my meal. Hope you did enjoy, and if you tried, let me know, guys. I really want to know if you tried. I think it's time that I put my recipes in precise, because if I don't, then I forget what I put in my food. And unfortunately, most of my meals, I do not get them from Google or anything. I get creative with my meals, so I forget the precision of doing them, and then I forget some ingredients. Just like now, they're running over my mind. I have to watch this vlog again and try to write it down, because that's what I'm planning to do now. Once I create a meal for the first time, I need to write it down on how I created it and what ingredients I used, and even the measurements of the ingredients, even time. I know you might need that as well, but if you are not a new cook, then I'm more certain that you know sometimes how long meat takes in the oven and whatnot. But I cooked my ribs for 90 minutes on between the first time to get the mixture boiling. I was on 200 degrees Celsius, and then I reduced my heat to 150, 180 between those two, and then you can reduce your heat and have it cook and have it fall off the bone. Okay, guys, hope you did enjoy this vlog. See you again tomorrow, because this is dinner and I'm going to sleep now after having this dinner. Okay. Hi guys, welcome to Life in Between with Mrs. Ann. On today's vlog, we are out with your favorite.
Hello.
We are out with your favorite kids. We're at play. I'm taking out the boys to play and for mommy time, and I got this really nice jar cooler juice. I chose strawberry flavor.
My one.
Oh, I'm gonna show. Oh, you want me to show your one? Okay. That's a lot of ice. Okay.
Now what's inside it?
Huh?
It's a lemon.
Yes.
It's strawberry. It's also strawberry.
Lou got cream soda.
B.
And I got the strawberry.
Strawberry tea.
I forgot one thing. I took the boys out for the first time without my husband. Both of the kids, getting them out of the house was a mission and a half. But I'm glad that I did. And I'm happy to be outdoors. And I ordered some nachos. I got Lufus with this meal. And I'm waiting on my nachos with chicken. I'm calling my cousin who is flying to East London today. He will be at our place. I think he's not picking up because he's flying. He's supposed to fly out of Joburg.
Dial is not available at present.
Let me show you what I ordered. I am back at home and just chilling. My cousin will be joining us this afternoon. He'll be traveling to, he's going home, Mthatha. So he flew in East London and we're in East London, so he's dropping by, passing by before heading back home in Mthatha. So we will be chilling with him. Yeah, so I'm expecting him any minute now. I'm just chilling here at home. We are just chilling. It's been a hot day. Hopefully it's been a hot day. Hopefully it's gonna cool down this evening. Guys, I really need that aircon, you know. I need the aircon, and my glasses are so dirty. And my nails, guys, they're coming true for the girls. I haven't done this manicure. I'm in love with it. I'm in love. Yo guys, ndinibalisele. Hey, izinto zimana ukwenzeka. Do you know that I mistakenly bought airtime worth 1,000 rand, and guys, like I saw it after quite some time. Probably that happened around 1, and I saw it at 3 p.m. and I was like, what the hell? I was like, what the bomb is this? Did I not disappoint? Because I know very well. I called Vodacom. I called the bank. They don't refund airtimes. If you just must be sure of the value and the number you're buying the airtime for. Otherwise, if you make that mistake, you're going to be stuck with that transaction. So I called everywhere and I did not get any help. And then my husband and I started sharing. He shared my post on his WhatsApp, and I also shared it on my Instagram. If you follow me on Instagram, I'm sure you might have seen it. And I shared on Facebook. Guys, people, family and friends, my family and friends, they really came true. I need to revive my hairline of this braid because I'm so enjoying this braid. I just need to fix the front again. Guys, family and friends, you guys came through for this girl. Like, what's this Elena? They worked out for me, guys. I did say thank you, and I'm going to thank you once again. You guys came through for me. Airtime was bought back, all of it that was bought in error. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate you. Guys, be careful. No mommy brains, no daddy brains, no preoccupation when you're buying airtime or anything like that. Otherwise, you're going to pay the price. I just need to tambisa my lips. This is what I'm going to use. This is so nice. It's actually so nice. Guys, and also I didn't hydrate enough. My milk supply is so low. So I'm trying to take in as much water as I possibly can because I'm eating healthy and all of that, but my water intake is on the deep side, so my breast milk supply is going through the most. So this my gorgeous girl coming through for me. This Tambisa from Discam avocado oil is doing the things for me. Yeah, guys, doing the things for me. Love it, guys. No, guys, I'm just relaxing and it's quite late. It's about 5 p.m. and the sun is going down. I can feel there's a bit of Ilenduza sunset and a bit of wind. What am I saying? There's a bit of wind. I'm trying to get these booties. I got this gift from my work colleagues. So they're very light. I like them. Like on warm days, like on warm chilly days, then I just dress him up in this and I don't put in socks. They are the booties. Zumdwana. How cute. These were from Ackermans. And they're matching with my petty. Look who arrived! Mr. Cousin! Guys, my cousin arrived and is playing Uncle Duties already.
Yes.
I can't wait. Usenzele burger.
Yes, I'm gonna make you guys burgers as an uncle. We look alike.
Yeah, but his face won't make it.
Oh yeah, ne.
The cupboard's right.
Uncle Cuties.
Come, let's make burgers.
I think he's more than excited to tell you what happened to the wall. I'm shocked about Kanachba. You know what happened to the other wall? Huh?
It says the wind came and it fell.
Yeah. Oh, he already told you. Yes. I got pause from that. Should I get you ingredients, Zach?
Yes, let's get the ingredients real quick. Where are they? And we're gonna start making burgers, right?
Cool.
You got me acting out. You, all tenderness is out the window. straight cruel. Or it has to be you leaving writings on the wall. You promised me roses and hungry heads, but now there's only madness.
Like really good burgers for the nephews.
Nicole, you're like a chef.
Am I like a chef?
Please tell me it's a dream. A dream. The worst kind you've ever dreamed. Don't wanna lay another night.
I think so.
No, you don't wanna walk another mile. I just can't. So please don't make me do it. 'Cause I got too much to lose.
You need jam so that you can put it here.
I got too much to lose.
That
Now lay me in the wilderness to dry up bits of your sweet caress. I can't wait no more.
was it nice? Take these mother. Okay, how do you switch it on? Actually, I'm gonna just pause.
My groceries!
They shrink. They just disappear. And then the trick to making a nice burger is
The bun.
bun. So these are supposed to be cut. We do not have. I would never go to Sun City now.
One.
No, that's not gonna happen.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let
And
it
then,
fall on me. Say you a good
And then,
guy,
como que
don't wanna hear it. I wanna see it, see how. Rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good girl. Show me something. Give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it. I wanna see it. See how. Rewind. When we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. We've been dancing all night long.
do you wanna come get your burger, buddy?
Would you please name your burger?
Oh, this burger is dedicated to Lufuzo.
So what's the name of this burger?
It's a Lou burger.